Now that you have successfully connected an NDI output to OnInOff, let's see how you can integrate it into Notch and other softwares. In Notch, start by going into the device's drop-down menu and clicking on Video In Settings. Then click Refresh Sources to ensure that the latest available sources are displayed. With your sources refreshed, you will see the OnInOff source show up. And then in the Nodes tab, search for Image 2D and import it into the node graph. After you do that, go ahead and search for the video NDI source. Import that into the node graph too, and make sure you select the OnInOff source. And then connect it to the Image 2D node and the output. Here we can see that a proper connection has been established. And to get a better view of the source, enable Preview and Viewport in the video NDI source. Additionally, in SMODE, start by going into Preferences and then Video Inputs. Click Add and select the proper NDI video input and apply the changes. Change the color format to BGRX for better color accuracy and compatibility, and apply these changes again. Then, by going into the Show drop-down menu and adding a video input, you will see your OnInOff NDI source. And there we go. You have now successfully connected your NDI source to your desired software. Thanks for following along.